Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming the essentials. Make sure the Sony TV and your phone or laptop are on the same Wi-Fi network, because different networks block discovery. Next, check which casting method the TV supports, Chromecast built-in or Miracast, called screen mirroring. Once you know that, enable the corresponding TV option in Settings right arrow network. Now open your source device's cast or screen mirroring control. You're preparing discovery, so the TV will appear in the device list. Now connect from your device. On Android, pull down Quick Settings and tap Cast, then select the Sony TV. If it doesn't appear, toggle Wi-Fi and retry. On iPhone, use AirPlay from Control Center if the TV supports it, or open the Chromecast-enabled app for streaming. On Windows laptops, use Project Right Arrow Connect to a wireless display, Miracast. Once done, accept the pairing prompt on the TV if prompted. This completes the negotiation and begins the mirrored session. Finish by adjusting picture and audio. Change resolution or orientation on your source, and select the TV as audio output if needed. To end mirroring, use the device's Stop Cast control or press TV input right arrow Stop Mirroring. If the TV won't appear or quality is poor, try one key troubleshooting step. Restart the router, then reboot the TV and your phone or laptop. This clears discovery issues and often resolves handshake failures. If problems persist, check for firmware updates on the.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.